All right, Kevin, we're here again at the studio. Thanks for joining us. Halo Power Solutions out of Sherwood Park. They are the go-to electrician for Sherwood Park and area. And we're going to be talking about portable backup generator installations. So backup generation, there's a couple of different options. You've got, of course, the large format generators that hook up to your natural gas and all of that. But now let's talk about the other option that you guys have at Halo Power. It's a little bit more approachable than that one.
It is. Yeah. It's a solution we could provide that can give you a very reliable backup power system for your home that doesn't cost nearly as much as it would if you're going to put in a whole home backup system like a Generac, because that can be an upwards of 20 grand or more for equipment and installation. And, that just may blow the budget for some customers that are looking for a reliable way to power up their home. So what we're able to do is take that generator that you may already own. Let's say you've got a generator that you use out camping. Maybe you've got it for your motorhome, 6, 7, 8, maybe a 10 kilowatt generator, and provide a safe and code compliant method of connecting it to your home so that should you have a power outage, you can take this generator out of your garage or wherever you got it, start it up, plug it in to a connection box on the outside of your home, go downstairs, flip a couple of breakers, throw a couple of switches, and you're now able to power up all those critical loads in your home off this portable backup generator. And the beauty of this is, between a generator and our bill, it still comes in around that $4,000 price point. So, that's a lot more enticing to some customers that aren't looking for that fully automatic solution.
Yeah, no, that's perfect because, not everybody needs that fully automatic solution, especially if you're just wanting to keep the lights on, keep the Wi-Fi going, make sure that your freezer and your refrigerator is going.
Absolutely.
These things. And then it's also a lower price point. It's only a few $1,000. So, with that, that's approachable for almost any neighborhood in Sherwood Park.
Absolutely. If a customer is willing to do a little bit of extra work on their own when the power goes out, then, and they don't have a generator yet. I was in Costco this week and they've got their Champion 10 kilowatt generator on for $795. You know what? It's a big, heavy, noisy generator, but it will power all those essentials in your home quite beautifully. If you need to keep the furnace, the fridge, the sump pump, freezers, lighting, Wi-Fi, you're not going to run your air conditioner. You're not using your electric stove or your clothes dryer. But pretty much anything else in your home can be ran off this portable generator. And most of these generators will run 7, 8, maybe 10 hours on a tank of gasoline. So, typically we don't have outages that last too much longer than that. So it's a great solution. So with that, you need a portable generator, but we also need to install a manual generator panel in your basement.
Okay.
So what that is a separate electrical panel that we install beside your main electrical panel. And we take the circuit wiring out of your main electrical panel and we move it over to this generator subpanel. Now, what's different about this panel from just a regular subpanel that a lot of people have in their home is that it has an interlock system so that when the power goes out, you need to turn off the utility breaker that is in this generator panel, and then you slide up an interlock plate, and then you turn on the breaker that is going to allow power to feed into this panel from your portable generator. And this interlock system is extremely important because it safely isolates the utility side so that with utility breaker off and the interlock plate in the right position and the generator breaker on, you're never going to feed power back onto the grid with your little portable generator, because you may think, well, it's just a little Honda generator. How much harm could it do? It could do a lot of harm if that is actually going back onto the utility. So, so really it's about a day's worth of work for us. and we've got you set up, and we show you how to run the system, how it all works, so that customers are confident when we leave that they're able to set this thing up and plug it in and power things up and be very, very comfortable in the event of a power outage.
There you go. You can be the only person on your block with power while everyone else is suffering an outage.
You bet. And that's that's the feedback we're getting for our customers right now that have these in place is, I use my system. It works great. And the neighbors are coming over and saying, hey, how come your lights are on? And then they see this setup and they're like, that isn't much of an investment. You think of, you got a home that it's, maybe on the low point worth $500,000 up could be into the millions. You want to protect that. And if you can do that for, $4,000, boy, that's a pretty small investment to make to give you the peace of mind that you're going to keep your home and your family safe.
Yeah, that's huge, especially in the wintertime. Wintertime, you need that heat, secondary sources of heat. Usually they will require some electricity to keep them on, keep them started, except for wood burning fireplaces, wood burning stoves. Those ones don't really need extra electricity, but everything else pretty much does. So if you have a backup system, then it keeps you warm in the winter, keeps your house from freezing, and protecting your investment. So that's really cool. How can people get in touch with you so they can get a quote on a portable backup generator system?
Absolutely. So best way to visit us is to visit our website, halopower.ca. And from there, you can request a free quote. We always come out and do a complimentary quote for it, or you can give us a call and be happy to chat with you about what your needs are and set up that complimentary home assessment and get you set up with peace of mind so that, when the power does go out, because it will, you don't have to worry how long you're going to be living by the light of a candle.
There's one thing that I forgot to ask about is permitting.
Yes.
So with this, is this something that does require a permit as well?
Absolutely, it does. That's a great question, Trevor. It doesn't matter what municipality you're in. We talk a lot about Sherwood Park, Strathcona County, but any municipality or city, a permit is definitely required to install this and have it inspected, because installation of these generator panels, it's not just for the faint of heart or for any electrician out there. If you haven't done one, there's certain requirements that need to be met and a certain way that it's installed so that it is done safely. And, this is not the type of project that you just want to hand out to the lowest bidder.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. They've done many of these different types of generator hookup systems in the Sherwood Park area. So give them a call, halopower.ca, right?
You got her.
Right. Halopower.ca, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Thanks, Trevor.